How can I find my PayPal ID and account name?
Hello viewers! In this video, we're going to discuss how you can easily find your PayPal ID and account name. It's crucial to know this information for several reasons, such as setting up payment options on websites or resolving issues with your account. Let's get started.
What are my PayPal ID and account name?
The first thing to understand is what exactly your PayPal ID and account name are. Your PayPal ID is typically the email address you used when signing up for your account. Your account name, on the other hand, is the name associated with your PayPal account. This could be your business name or your legal name, depending on how you've set up your account.
How can I find my PayPal ID?
Now, let's find out how to locate your PayPal ID. 1. First, sign in to your PayPal account. Go to PayPal's official website on your preferred browser and enter your login credentials. 2. Once logged in, navigate to Profile and Settings under the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. 3. Under the My Profile tab, look for Email. This is your PayPal ID. Remember, it's the email address you used when setting up your account.
How can I find my account name?
Next, let's find your account name. 1. Staying within the Profile and Settings page, look for the Business Information section if you have a business account or the Personal Information section if you have a personal account. 2. In either of these sections, you'll see a field labeled Name or Business Name. This is your account name. So, that's how you find your account name on PayPal. And there you have it. You've now learned how to find both your PayPal ID and account name. We hope this guide was helpful to you. Remember, always keep your login information safe and secure. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful videos like this one.